All right. Now, మా ఆవిడకి కొంచెం ఛాన్స్ ఇమ్మని రికమెండేషన్ అడుగుతుంది. ఆల్ రైట్, ఓకే, ఆల్ రైట్, మాట్లాడు. మా ఆవిడకి కాకుండా ఇంకెవరికి ఇస్తాను ఛాన్స్.
Thank you. Jai Baba. Kiran, Ravimai said memory lane, right? So my memory lane is this long.
We have time. Nobody controls now today.
Why? We can't see your video though. Can you on your video?
I can see. We can see.
Oh, you can see. Okay. Then it's us. Okay. No.
So if
even I can't see. I'm wondering.
Drag and drop on the screen. Drag it and drop it on the screen. Then you can see.
You probably don't have the large grid view. If you have the large grid view, you will have it.
Yeah. Okay. Mute everybody. మా మావిడి స్టార్ట్ చేసిందంటే ఇంకా ఆపదన్నమాట. రైలు జట్ వెళ్ళిపోద్ది. All right, everybody mute.
You're also muted.
You're also muted.
Sorry.
Okay, Jai Baba, I'm going into my memory lane as I was given permission to do this. Anyway, so first when Krishnaka and Chinnanna got married, I saw Geetaka for the first time, right? Then I came to know she is getting married in Tirupati. Then I came to know that she got a little baby. She looks so cute. That's Kiran. So the next thing I know, it's summer holidays and I was in Vijayawada and I was given in charge of getting you guys doing math, all of you. And you are a gem. You are the only one that never gave me trouble. Naveen, Jeevan, Praveen is the troublest part. He used to give me so much trouble. Math is there. నీ దగ్గర నుంచి కాపీ చేసేసి ప్రతి math question ki 5 paisa was the count, I guess. So, by evening you used to collect 5 rupees, 3 rupees, something like that, and then go to a movie. So, best kid in that group doing the thing. And then you used to put water all over the room and you used to try to swim in the room. There's so much good memories and fond memories I have. And then the next thing I remember is one time, we got married new, and then Nana got Jayaramanna got Chetak, I think, the scooter that he ordered, and he wants to sell. So Ravimai came to know he wants to sell and he wants to buy that from him. So he sent me first as an ambassador to Nana for asking, and then he will come and join if he says yes, and then we can buy and bring it to Tirupati, right? So I came early to Bangalore to spend some time with you guys. So Nana got all excited, Jayaramanna, and he used to take me to whoever comes to Bangalore, he used to take them to that big vegetable market. I forgot the name of it.
City market.
Yeah.
City market.
Market. He used to take us to show all the fruits, vegetables and all that. Then he used to buy special things, paya and all that. And Geetaka used to cook and do mutton balls and all that. So the one that I remembered the most, and I still feel bad little bit about, is I want to bike, cycle tokkalani. So I want to bike. So you guys have a cycle. So, but the problem with me is I can't get in and I can't get down. Once I get into the seat, then you push me, I can bike for half hour, 1 hour, as long as you want. So getting in and getting out is a problem. So you and Pawan, both of you were holding the bike. I was so big and heavy and you were so small, right? But you never said at least one time, Atta, time out, you can't do this, just get off. So now also when I see somebody in my, the track that run biking, and then I remember the bike, I want to bike, then I remember that scene and Kiran and Pawan, and how could they, be so polite to me and didn't say no to me and put up with me for so long. I feel so bad. I never said sorry to you. I'm telling you sorry now. Then came, then came the next scene I remember is you coming to US. Then you used to come and visit for Christmas. And Maya was so little, 2-week-old, 3-week-old. you used to feel so sorry for her. You used to hold her all the time in your hand and play with her and stuff. That we used to go for Chinese, and Bagi used to eat so much. We used to tell her, no, this is enough. Buffet, Chinese buffets, I remember. And then, Radhika came into your life, and oh my God, she's a gem, so you complement each other, and she is like my, little sister I never had, actually she's my niece, but, she always gives good suggestions. She always, backs up to you, and, when you need to, you need to reach out to us and check on us or something like that. She does that for you already. How we are and what we are doing and all that. And she's such a shield for all of us. We love you both so much. And, you complement each other, and you are, how to say it? You show your, it's not like talking about things and not doing. You are like, you represent the values in action by showing them, by performing them in your day-to-day life. And we are very proud of you, and I'm very proud to have all these nephews. God bless you all. I stopped counting my 50. After that, I don't want to, all the women that usually do. And Ravi, of course, bluntly reminds me, but now you guys growing and getting to be 50 one by one, I'm not liking that. So, but God bless you. Have a very healthy, happy, prosperous, good life for another 50 years. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba.
బ్లంట్లీనా
Yeah.
ఎప్పుడన్నా నేను బ్లంట్లీగా
Jai Baba. Jai Baba.
జై బాబా జై బాబా వెరీ వండర్ఫుల్ నవీన్ ఉన్నాడా? నవీన్ సుమనా ఉందరా? మ్యూట్ లో
నవీన్ మ్యూట్ లో
ఉన్నా అది ఫోన్ టెక్నికల్ డిఫికల్టీస్. ఫోన్ కంప్యూటర్ లోకి వెళ్దామని అందరం చూద్దామని మాకు డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయ్యాది. వచ్చి సుమనా ఉంది ఇక్కడ.
Hey, Sumana.
Kiran birthday.
Kiran, sorry for the COVID. Yes, we can't come and visit you, but have a wonderful birthday.
Ayo, we'll see you in June.
నవీన్ పక్కన కూర్చో, సుమనాన్ని కూర్చోబెట్టు.
ఓ సరే.
ఛాన్స్ సుమనాకి నీకు కాదు.
సుమనా వార్డ్రోబ్ సరిగ్గా లేదంట, సో షీ క్యాన్ సిట్. సారీ. Apologies.
Okay, wardrobe malfunction ఏం లేదు.
So you can come in.
She looks very nice.
Very beautiful, yeah. Sumana. Yeah. You don't need wardrobe.
Only top.
Yeah.
Okay. Only top. Okay.
Like constant calls.
Okay.
No, we will cut in our the editing lo cut chestamle.
Okay.
Okay, Sumana, go ahead.
Come on, Kiran. Say something about Kiran.
Kiran Anna, whenever I see Kiran Anna, he's the same. No, I never seen him angry or
yes.
Irritated or frustration. Nothing. He's like a saint.
Come home.
Not with Vedu.
Not enough.
Not with Vedu.
That's the one thing I always think of Kiran Anna as. Like, he's always calm and peace, and he's always the same. Well balanced. Always smiling. Of course, Radhika. Radhika is all the same. You two complement each other, as Manipini said. And a very, very happy birthday, Anna.
Thank you, Sumana.
Thank you, Sumana. Sumana, Jai Baba అంటూ నేర్చుకో ఇక్కడ.
Jai Baba.
అది ఇప్పుడు ఫ్యామిలీలో కలిసాం అన్నమాట.
What do you mean? She's పెద్ద కోడలు. She's family.
పెద్ద కోడలు ఎర్రబోలు వారికి రాణి లాంటి దానివి నువ్వు.
అయ్యో
బడి బహు.
బడి బహు అది. All right, Naveen, go ahead.
Naveen. Oh, Naveen has a very big memory lane. Kevin got. Okay, where do I start? Okay, let me start all the way to my 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th grade. Okay. So whenever he used to go to Vijayawada, Jairam uncle used to bring Kiran to Tirupati for half a day. Okay. That half a day, my life was so miserable. Nana always used to be like, so calm. Okay, don't hear about failure. Don't worry about success. Failure comes. Fail is better. Failure is best. All the things. When Kiran comes, Nana used to change. And his mood used to be changed. Then Nana used to say, oh, I used to feel, oh my God, whether I need to celebrate when Kiran is here or when I need to feel bad when Kiran is here. But bottom line is, when he used to come, next 2 days was my life sankanaki poyindi anamata. Okay. But at the same time, third day I used to pick up a lot of books. Okay, IIT books, non-IIT books, Sports Star, Hindu, all. I used to read a lot for 3 days. And Kiran used to leave, 3 days, the wave used to be there. And I used to feel, Kiran, one gem of a guy. Okay, I don't need to worry about him. He left. So anyways, I'll be going to Vijayawada in 4 days. Lot of party time. Only party time. And when we used to go there, these ladies, Manipinni and Gitata, has nothing to do but show me some pictures on the walls. I asked to write stories. But that stories, 25 paise, Kiran used to work so hard. Okay. For me, 25 paise, Nanamma used to give, or like Ratta used to give more than 25 paise, never used to focus. I used to feel sorry for this kid. Yendi veedu Kiran gaadu anta kashtapadutunnadu 25 paisal kosam inta kashtapadala. And I used to feel very Kiran ante adanni joke cheppina kuda, but one thing, as I got older, I know Kiran got very much mature very early. I mean, where for me everything is joke, everything is fun. Ippudu alojiste, now I feel how Kiran, what graph is always like a very smooth curve. వాడి బ్యాలెన్స్డ్ గా
గ్రాఫ్ స్టార్ట్ అవటమే పైన స్టార్ట్ అయ్యేది.
వాడి స్ట్రాటజీ డిఫరెంట్. ఆ లవ్ చేయడం గానీ, క్లాస్మేట్ ని పెళ్లి చేసుకోవడం గానీ, ఆ స్ట్రాటజీ వేరు వాడిది. మనకనుకో మన స్ట్రాటజీ అలా కాదు, అప్స్ అండ్ డౌన్స్. మన ఈసీజీ లా ఉంటుంది అనమాట. మన గ్రాఫ్ ఒకసారి పైకి వెళ్తే డమాన్ పడుతుంది, పైకి వెళ్తే పడుతుంది అనమాట. అందుకనే సూర్యుడు దొరికింది, వాడికి కాదు దొరికింది అనమాట. అది లెక్క. సో బట్ ఎనీవేస్ నాకు బాగా గుర్తైన మెమరీలు ఏంటంటే, విజయవాడ తాత పోయినప్పుడు కిరణ్ గారికి నాకు 7th class 8th class 9th class అనుకుంటా. నేను మామూలుగా విజయవాడ అని చెప్పి వెళ్ళాను. తాతగారు పోయారా, బట్ కిరణ్ హ్యాస్ దట్ కనెక్షన్ అండ్ నాకు కనెక్షన్ ఉంది. కానీ as I've told, Kiran has much more matured, that he got very emotional. At that time I was not emotional, but amma nanu tittindi, jere buddhi ledu nike asalu nike inka nee maturity la, Kiran garu buddhi techuko ani annanamata. Ediste buddhi techuko, chaduvite buddhi techuko, annitiki buddhi techuko babu. He came to my life to give me buddhi. So then I realized at that time Kiran is my mentor of buddhi anamata. So then Kiran's journey was different. Vadu education, he came IIT and United States, pedli anta adoka journey. But dan tarvata, after that small 15-17 years where he left off, I went off, and then now, like after 20-30 years, then I go back. Sometimes I meet with him, or what I feel is, you can talk very less but send a very big message. That's what Kiran is. So sometimes I feel, when I think about myself, I talk a lot, but is the message going on a quote? Then I feel when Kiran talks, he talks only very precise, brevity and concise ani. He annita vida nana package Kiran garu, nen gaadu. ఎప్పుడు నాన్న మాట్లాడితే కన్సైజ్ గా, ప్రిసైజ్ గా కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేయాలి అంతా చెప్పేవాడు అనమాట. బట్ ఎనీవేస్ ఇప్పుడు, సో ఇఫ్ ఐ గో బ్యాక్, I mean I feel so much, I mean what would it say, I'm so happy whenever I meet with him, with his composure, when he explains something, there is something in it. Okay, so there is not much of noise around it. So clear to the point. I mean, I know sometimes, short temper, negative, he's short tempered, but still that's okay. Brevity on the gravity, I can give some credit. Appropriate negative points, but overall, it's a full package, but package deal. Radhika got a good deal. Okay, it's like without a coupon, you got a good deal, Radhika. That's what I mean. No coupons, Wadu. No coupon deal.
No coupons.
No coupon deal. Okay, so very, very happy that we are all connected to Kiran, and he's turning 50. I mean, I wish that I would have followed that Kiran when I was at my childhood, when I was small. But every kid is different. But I admire him, as Dia said, as everybody said. It's a pleasure to just have a short and sweet chats with Kiran, and hoping for a much more conversations like this. Kiran, I know this is all pandemic and everything, and make sure you have a glass of wine for your birthday 1 week from now. We'll again do a virtual Zoom call for a surprise Zoom party. But at least make sure that you have that expression. Radhika, make sure you have a nice kebabs.
Like
Kiran, again, love you, Da. Always been happy. Again, love you. Wish you a very, very 50th happy birthday.
Thank you, Naveen. Love you. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba.
నవీన్, ఒక క్వశ్చన్, నాయిస్ లెస్ అన్నావు, అసలు నాయిస్ ఉండదు అన్నావు, అసలు నిజంగానా?
అంటే వాడిని కాదురవన్నా, ఇప్పుడు సింహం జోలికి వెళ్ళి జూల్ని పీకావనుకో నాయిస్ వస్తుంది. సింహం దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి జూల్ని పీకకూడదు అనమాట, దూరం చూడాలి అంతే. యూ షుడ్ నాట్ టచ్ హిమ్, డోంట్ టచ్. వెనకాల ముందర పట్టుకొని వాడిని you can't ask him not to be angry, right? So that's okay. Anger is good for health.
Radhika, is he noiseless, Radhika, all the time? Sometimes.
I wish.
That's good. Great speech, Naveen. ఇంకా ఏమైనా ఉందా, అయిపోయిందా?
అయిపోయింది రావునా. That's a long speech, longest speech ever.
Very good. Great entertainment. Good entertainment.
Made us laugh, Naveen. That's it.
Yeah, very nice. Okay, Sidhu, ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళావురా? ఇప్పుడు వచ్చావు. అక్కడి నుంచి సెలబ్రేషన్ చేసుకుంటుంటే నువ్వు నీ కండలు పెంచుతున్నావా? కండలు మీ ఇద్దరు మాట్లాడండి. యా, కిరణ్ అండ్ ఐఎమ్ సారీ, సిద్ధు అండ్ భార్గవి. యా,
కిరణ్ నాకు 3 phases లో తెలుసు. ఫస్ట్ బాగా చిన్నప్పుడు ఎప్పుడో 9th grade లోనో ఎప్పుడో బెంగళూరు వెళ్ళాను సమ్మర్ వెకేషన్కి. అప్పుడు జయరామ్ అంకులు, కిరణ్, పవన్, నేను, అంటే బ్యాచ్ 3 బ్యాచెస్. స్కూటర్ ఒకటి ఉండేది కదా, ల్యాండా స్కూటర్ మీద జయరామ్ అంకుల్, కిరణ్, విజయ్ సూపర్ దాని మీద అంతా బెంగళూరు అంతా చక్కర కొట్టేవాళ్ళం. జయరామ్ అంకుల్ ఎక్కడికో వెళ్ళారు, ఏదో ట్రిప్కి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు కిరణ్, నేను, పవన్ వెళ్ళేవాళ్ళం. కిరణ్ ఎక్కడో ఆ స్కూటర్ని గుద్దాడు, మేము ముగ్గురు ఉన్నప్పుడే. జయరామ్ అంకుల్ రాగానే వాయి తీస్తారు అనేసి అని. సో దట్ వాస్ ది ఫస్ట్ ఫేజ్ వెన్ ఐ ఇంటరాక్టెడ్ విత్ కిరణ్ యాజ్ ఎ కజిన్. తర్వాత అక్కడ కట్ చేస్తే దెన్ కిరణ్ వెంట్ ఇన్ టు ఐఐటి. సో వన్స్ ద మొమెంట్ కిరణ్ వెంట్ టు ఐఐటి, నవీన్ చెప్పినట్టు హీ బికేమ్ ఏ పెయిన్ ఇన్ ద నెక్. ఓకే, ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళినా ఓ కిరణ్ సరస్వతి పుత్రుడు. అక్కడ వి గాట్ డిస్కనెక్టెడ్ అనమాట. ఈ మనిషి మన లీగ్ కాదు. ఎప్పుడైనా బెంగళూరులో అటు వెళ్తే కూడా ఇట్లా చేతులు పెట్టి అమ్మా కిరణ్, మామూలు జనజీవనంలో సవంతిలో ఉన్నప్పుడు కూడా కిరణ్ అట్లా రూమ్ నుండి వెళ్తే ఇట్లా చేతులు పెట్టి చూసేవాడు. ఆ జిఆర్ఈ కోసం అదేమంటారు, అవేవో ఇంగ్లీష్ లో రాసుకునేవాడు, వాట్ ఈస్ ఫ్లాష్ కార్డ్స్ ఏవో బాత్రూమ్ నిండా అవన్నీ. సో So Kiran was so Adi, that was the second phase. అక్కడ కట్ చేస్తే దెన్ ప్రసన్ చెప్పినట్టు when we came to know about Kiran's surgery, we were shocked. He was too young and what is happening. అప్పుడు కిరణ్ రాధిక దే కేమ్ టు బెంగళూరు. పిల్లలు కూడా వచ్చినట్టున్నారు, ఐ డోంట్ రిమెంబర్. శ్రీరాములు పెద్దనాన్న వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి వచ్చారు. సో వచ్చినప్పుడు దెన్ ఇట్ వాస్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైమ్ ఐ ఇంటరాక్టెడ్ విత్ కిరణ్ అండ్ రాధిక ఆఫ్టర్ ఎ లాంగ్ టైమ్. అప్పుడు కిరణ్ చూసినప్పుడు ఏడుపు వచ్చింది. సో ఐ ఫెల్ట్ లైక్ క్రైయింగ్ బికాస్ I saw him after a long time, and he underwent that surgery, you know. Then I felt that affection towards Kiran because there was a long disconnect. Bangalore trip lo tarvata tan IIT Houston elpadu anta, so we met him very rarely, but I could feel the affection when we met in Hyderabad. Tarvata, then when Kiran came here also, that brief moment was very, very nice moment. And especially Kiran and Papan Radhika, because she had migraine, both of them were little, they were suffering, like Papan Kiran was taking her around and they were suffering. But in that, when they came to Dallas, our sweetest moment was with Vedu and Diya. వాళ్ళు దే వర్ రియల్లీ లైక్ అంటే ద కిడ్స్ ఆర్ సో గుడ్. ఐ హ్యావ్ నో words to describe how nice people they are, both Vedu and Diya.
What was happening?
Those properties came from their parents. There is beyond any doubt it is from their parents. And really, Vedu is really very sweet, very, very sweet kid. Vedu, I am not trying to flatter you, okay, but you are really a sweet kid. You have to keep it up. You have to be that way. And Diya, of course, Diya is very mature, very, very balanced kid. And I congratulate both Kiran and Radhika for grooming their kids so well. Jai Baba, Kiran. Really hate to wish you on the 50th birthday, okay? Because I stopped counting my birthdays from the age of 30 itself. So it is because that's the most probably not a disgusting thing, you know, when you know that you're getting it. Your hair gets grayed, you get hair at all unwanted places where you need to trim. I don't think we have to count years. So, but I think it is only a time for celebration. Not for 50 years, but it's a time for celebration. We wish that you have a healthy life, be more, of course, you're very, I think Radhika gives you all greens and everything, so there's nothing to go wrong now, but be safe and have a healthy and prosperous life. Jai Baba.
Thank you, Jai Baba, Jai Baba.
Hey, I have something to say quickly.
Go ahead.
Sure. Yes.
పాపం వీడిని కిరణ్ గారిని పొగిడితే పవన్ గారు అలసిపోయాడు. నాకు క్రెడిట్ లేదా ఎక్కడ అని చెప్పి వాడి ఫేస్ లో డల్నెస్ కనపడుతుంది. అరే పవన్, కిరణ్ గారు ఐఐటి వస్తుంటే నీ సఫరింగ్ తెలుసురా నాకు. డోంట్ వరీ. నీ 50th ఉంది పెద్ద లెక్చర్. బిర్యానీ దగ్గర నుంచి ఐఐటి ఉందిరా నీకు.
Imagine as cousins you have pressure on IIT ante imagine known brother how much pressure.
Ade
Laughing. You guys are somewhere sitting in the same house.
ade
hello Krishna Kumar వచ్చింది
and Kera uncle
మాట్లాడేద్దాం
మా కిరణ్
Wait. Bhargavi, go ahead. Wait, Vadina. Bhargavi, go ahead.
Jai Baba.
Sirisha. Jai Baba.
Amma phone undi. Nobody can scratch her.
Because she won't let her finish speaking. Maybe she doesn't know.
2 minutes.
మా భార్గవి మాట్లాడితే దాని తర్వాత మాట్లాడుదుమ్మా.
ఓకే వదినా, భార్గవి మాట్లాడితే తర్వాత మీరు మాట్లాడుదురు కానీ, ఓకే? అందరూ మాట్లాడితే వినపడదు ఏది, సరేనా?
సరే
ఓకే భార్గవి మాట్లాడమ్మా.
నాకు కిరణ్ గురించి తెలిసింది అత్తమ్మ గారి గురించి, అత్తమ్మ గారి నుంచి. సో అత్తమ్మ గారు ఎప్పుడు చెప్తూ ఉంటారు, ఐడల్ కిడ్, బెస్ట్ సన్, ఆల్వేస్ సాఫ్ట్, ఇంటెలిజెంట్ అంటాం. సో ద ఫస్ట్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్ ఇన్ ద బెంగళూరు పవన్ పెళ్లికి రిసెప్షన్ కి మేము వెళ్ళినప్పుడు, సో అప్పుడు ఐ హావ్ సీన్ హిమ్ హౌ రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ టేకింగ్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్స్ అనేది. సో నాకున్న చిన్న ఇదన్నా సరే, బ్రీఫ్ ఇదన్నా సరే, లాస్ట్ టైం మొన్న డాలస్ లో వచ్చినప్పుడు సో నేను విన్నది అప్పుడు చూశాను, హౌ కేరింగ్ హస్బెండ్ కిరణ్ ఈజ్. రాధిక బాగలేనప్పుడు కేరింగ్ హస్బెండ్ రోల్ చూశాను. సో నెక్స్ట్ పిల్లలు ఫర్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైం వచ్చినా కూడా దేవర్ సో మింగిల్ అయ్యి, దేవర్ నెవర్ న్యూ టు అస్, సో కన్వీనియంట్లీ వాళ్ళు ఇదిగా ఉన్నారు. సో జై బాబా,
జై బాబా,
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. జై బాబా.
గుడ్ భార్గవి. వదినా ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి వదినా.
నేను చెప్పేది ఏం లేదు, మీ అందరిని చూస్తే హ్యాపీగా ఉంది.
కిరణ్ బర్త్డే కిరణ్ గురించి మాట్లాడు.
కిరణ్ బర్త్డే, కిరణ్ హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే. మెనీ మెనీ హ్యాపీ రిటర్న్స్.
చిన్నప్పుడు ఏమైనా ఇన్సిడెన్సెస్ గుర్తున్నాయా కిరణ్ గురించి?
కిరణ్ ఎప్పుడు పుట్టాడు? జూన్ లో, మే లో?
ఏప్రిల్ 1970.
ఏప్రిల్ 24th. ఏప్రిల్ 24th.
Correct, Atta. 23rd. Correct. You're right, Atta.
23rd ఏప్రిల్. ఎక్కువ స్పీడ్ గా మాట్లాడతాడు కిరణ్, చాలా స్పీడ్. అంటే థాట్స్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్, ఎక్కువ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్, అందుకని గబగబా థాట్స్ వస్తాయి. దాన్ని చాలా స్పీడ్ గా మాట్లాడతాడు. మన స్పీడ్ గా మాట్లాడలేదు. అదొకటి కిరణ్ దగ్గర చూసింది.
మా అదొక్కటేనా? వాడికి చాలా ఉన్నాయి మంచి క్వాలిటీస్.
చాలా చాలా ఉన్నాయి, కానీ నాకు ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అంత లేదు కదా. కిరణ్ తో స్పెండ్ చేసింది తక్కువ, కిరణ్ పవన్ తోటి.
వెరీ గుడ్,
జై బాబా.
వెరీ గుడ్.
జై బాబా.
జై బాబా. ఓకే
జై బాబా.
సరే, ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్. ఇప్పుడు let us no wait let us invite a family member, Pawan. Let's welcome Pawan.
Jai Baba.
Can't see you.
Okay, here I am. Audible?
I can see you.
Yes.
Okay.
Very good.
Jai Baba. So I won't wish Kiran happy birthday yet. It's still a few more days, so I'll save the 50th birthday wishes for whenever, 23rd April. Kiran, so many good things have been spoken, so I'm wondering whether I should resonate the same good things. With my own relationship, it's a very close relationship, and it is, I would break it up into two innings, Anmata. First innings and second innings. First innings is filled with fireworks, a lot of 4 6s, and second innings is a little more stable, and the relationship became much more matured, Anmata. Chinnappudu, I used to be the real pain in the backside for Kiran, Anmata. If whatever you're all talking, kada, calm, stable, all these things, he's not at all that, at least in my first innings. Okay, and second innings, Radhika is taking the brunt, let me put it that way.
Vedu kuda anta, Vedu Vedu, Radhika, Dia, they are facing the brunt, I think, and I first innings more or less I faced the brunt, I would say. Manata, you are saying kada, maths, Kiran used to be the most peaceful student. I used to be the student for maths for Kiran as a teacher. Abba, it's terrible. So as good a student he is a terrible teacher, Anmata. Endukante I can never
forget ammak telsu, nanak telsu. He teaches maths and he expects the student to be as good as him. Okay. And that's a very bad teacher, actually. So he used to teach me, and inka Kiran ki Radhika, you like know this expression, when he gets angry, he'll put his teeth together, and he gets that expression anmata. And then you feel like a pedda moddu anmata in front of him in mathematics. Okay, you feel like you're brainless, and he'll start teaching something, and you'll start his blood pressure is increasing anmata. Endukante I'm not able to understand what he's saying. I'm not able to go at the same speed at which he's expecting me to understand. And slowly, this is, I don't know, 3rd standard, 4th standard, 5th standard I'm talking about. When I'm in 5th standard, he's in 9th standard or 10th standard. Alaga. That's the age I'm talking, that time frame. And slowly tears used to come into my eyes. Kani nen control chestunanu. Finally, one drop of tear will fall on the paper, and the paper will blot anmata. And then he'll say, why do you have to cry? And he used to scold me for crying also. So that is one experience.
Finally, I'm seeing Vedu laugh and very heartily enjoy this conversation.
This is I'm telling all truthful matters anmata. It's all not based on fiction. It's absolute reality. Alaga. So then by the time I became 8th standard, 9th standard, my ego also developed. He used to say, Kiran used to come anmata. He used to come from his engineering. Pavan, come, let me teach you something. Ante I used to somehow because now it doesn't look good in I'm a teenager to cry in front of him. I didn't want to do that. So that is one experience which I remember. Another experience sorry.
What's happening?
Continue. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Another experience is related to chocolates and non-vegetarian anmata. We are all grown up in a proper middle class setup anmata. Non-vegetarian ante only on Sundays used to be the special, and every 2nd or 3rd Sunday is mutton. That's like a super special Sunday. Ante other Sunday will be chicken or maybe some vanjaram fish, but the mutton day, which is 3rd or 4th Sunday, used to be the most special day anmata. I used to love mutton. Kiran used to love mutton. We still love mutton. What I used to do is I like to eat all my food and save all the mutton for the end anmata. Okay. And Kiran's useless buddhi used to be that munde tinestadanta whatever he likes. Okay, if he likes mutton, he'll finish the full mutton. Then he hates vegetables, so he eats the vegetables in the end. Perugannam last of intadu. Mine is reverse order. I finish all the things I don't like, and the best thing I save anmata. And this guy used to sit next to me, and he'll start eyeing my mutton anmata. Okay, and then I'm feeling insecure anmata. This guy again is going to eat up my mutton. And, so I used to literally, I'm not joking, because his eyes were there. Suddenly he'll put his hand and take a piece and put it into his mouth without reaction time for me. So I used to hide the mutton inside the curd rice anmata. So, and I used to put in the rice baga, and no, even little brown thing should not be visible. White ga undali baita. He doesn't know there's a mutton piece inside. And somehow when I'm taking a mudda, suddenly he exposes and takkani vetteskuntaru in his mouth. Okay. It's the same experience with the chocolates. We never had access to this dairy milk and this 5-star chocolates. Chetu, if we get in our hand, it's a pedda event. It's like that. So I remember I think Prabhakar Mai and Peddanana. Okay. Vijayawada Peddanana. Both of them came to visit Bangalore. And it was the most, I remember Prabhakar Mai Peddanana, we went for a walk anmata, and they bought, we went to a shop and said, whichever chocolate you want, you choose them. And we were like, really? Any chocolate? Yes, any chocolate. Then, we chose the big dairy milk, fruit and nut, dairy milk chocolate, the big one, big bar. Each of us, Kiran kokati, nakokati. Again, same problem. He tuck, and he finishes it. I am saving anmata. I take one small square, akkada we didn't, our fridge kuda is like Alvin fridge. It's only a beerwa lagala anamata. Beerwa lagala. It does not work. It's only from outside fridge anamata. So you put the chocolate, it melts inside. It doesn't work. So I used to put the chocolate inside our under the clothes in the cupboard. The melt outundi. Finally, he used to find it and eat those chocolate, even the chocolate. Suddenly, I see, hey, 2 squares are missing. Until he used to eat off anamata without. So these are my lovely, very good memories anamata. I'm sorry, I'm just thinking of some of these funny things. Kiran used to have close friends, okay, which are also very close friends to Radhika. Radhika, I don't know, you know if this story, but all your friends, you know, Shaurav, Ramkumar, Suresh, there used to be a guy called Suresh, then few friends anamata. And these friends used to keep coming home, and Kiran used to visit them, and they used to come home, Indiranagar house, okay. And I don't know, for some reason, I used to say, hey, your friends are small guy. I used to be Kiran in 10th standard like that. Whenever they used to call Kiran and they used to call the gate, okay. When he used to go, I used to say, go Maska, go Maska them. I don't know why, okay. Maska, put butter. And I used to start that thing and matter. Then Kiran will get very angry, of course, upset, like, you know, his ego is pricked kada appudu. So the another word for maska is chamchagiri, okay. You're a chamcha, okay. That's a word for a person who's buttering. Hey, you're a big chamcha, and go ahead and do your chamchagiri until licking them. Alaga, okay. Kiraniki కోపం వచ్చేసి ఇంకా how can you call me? I used to make a monkey face at him, like literally with my moho. I used to make that moho on water. And his blood pressure used to increase even further. So he used to come and hit me. He used to come and hit me, okay. And then to avoid him from hitting me, whenever his friends used to come, then I used to say, yeah, this chamach is very nice. Ante spoon, chamach is spoon, okay. Chamcha is buttering. Chamach is spoon. And then he used to say, hey, you're telling chamcha kada. No, the spoon, chamach. No, I know what you're saying. Then so many episodes. When he used to go, he's the most, see, basically, Kiran is the good boy, I'm the bad boy. I'm the indisciplined boy, Kiran is the virtue. You cousins, summer holidays, you see jhalaks like that, you're feeling pressure or problems. I'm living in the same house, you guys. Imagine my plight, yeah. So Kiran used to, the engineering, he came and did a project in ISRO, you know, Space Research Organization. Sorry, I'm talking too loud with my emotions. Kiran, he used to do the project ante roju vachi absolutely disciplined in the mornings, or he will istri all his shirts and pants, okay, istri it very nicely, so that every day, like ante ipudu week ante Sunday, weekends he will istri for the full week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. నేను స్కూల్కి వెళ్ళి వచ్చేసి I used to go to the బీరువా, the wardrobe, nice istri shirt to Kiran's. By then our sizes have become bigger also. I've come to 11th standard or 10th standard, I can't remember. So our sizes have become, I can wear his shirts anamata, basically loose ga undedi. So manchi istri shirt eskoni I used to go play cricket anamata. Okay, he used to get his socks washed to anni anamata, the socks eseskoni istri shirt eseskoni cricket adukoni. Ochi, I used to just throw it, you know, in some corner, and again he'll see that and he used to get little. Now this one I agree, that's a really bad one anamata. It's a bad on my part. This is the only one I accept. This is first innings, so absolutely I hold it very close to my heart. Kiran thing. Second innings is very much stable, massive support to me, absolute support in many ways. Any big decision, even when I was young, Intakmundu, I was very financially irresponsible, not good with money. Money comes into hand, money goes. That kind of personality. So, small. Now we think they're small things. Those times they used to be very big things, Credit card is full ante. Suddenly Kiran is helping, sending some money. I'm still in college time or just after college, even after college, working for 1 or 2 years. So after that, I got married and Purtini made me full Krama Sikshana, full discipline. I'm a changed person now, but you can see now. No, but even to date, any important decision in our house, family, everything, definitely I speak to Kiran, speak to Radhika. Them being in Singapore for 8 years was a very big blessing always for us. I never thought, Kadami, we never felt. Ikkada US lo undi, we were not hardly, ante phones we are interacting, but not face to face so much. So second innings is, more stable, more matured, more understanding, and also a lot of love, I would say, a lot of love. So that's my experience. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba. Great speech, Ra. Great speech.
Jai Baba.
Is Purtini sleeping or is she awake? Or?
Must be late.
Sorry.
Must be late.
Late too.